Hi there, and welcome back to my kitchen at Little Spoon Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough pancakes, and we're going to use the same recipe to make sourdough waffles. So if you're interested in learning how to maybe use up some of your discarded sourdough starter, this is the perfect recipe. You can use active starter, but you can also use your discard for this. So I will have a printable recipe link down below with all the amounts for the ingredients that you're going to need for these. So let's get started. In a bowl, you're going to want to add the buttermilk and the eggs and use a whisk to break up the eggs. Then you'll add your starter and whisk that up, your sugar, your vanilla extract, and your melted butter. Next, you'll add your all-purpose flour and then use a whisk to combine all these ingredients together really well. Cover it and let it ferment on your counter overnight. The next morning, you're going to want to add some salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Again, take your whisk and just mix that up until everything's nice and incorporated with each other. So to make the pancakes, you're just going to spread probably about a quarter cup to a third of a cup of batter on a hot griddle and let them cook until you see a lot of bubbles rising up to the surface, and then just give them a flip. And you'll want to cook them on the other side for a couple of minutes until the pancake is cooked all the way through. So once they're ready, you just serve them up with some butter and some maple syrup. Yummy. To make the waffles, all you need to do is simply pour about 3/4 of a cup of the batter onto a standard size waffle iron, and then you would just cook it according to your manufacturer's recommendations. So in just a few minutes, they cook up nice and crispy on the outside and tender in the middle. So that's it. That's how you make sourdough pancakes or sourdough waffles. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy sourdough recipes. Until the next video, bye.